What's up, friends and gang? It's your girl Jazzy, and I got my boy Milo.
And the guys, it is snowing. Look, we having so much fun. They jumping on the trampoline. Oh, slid. Ooh. There's so much snow. This is crazy. Can't even see my feet.
Milo doesn't like it because it's literally a storm right now. Snowflakes are flying everywhere. So yeah.
I can't Milo cut his hair. It's literally white. He just threw a snowball. He making snowballs trying to hit us. You hit my baby. Y'all, the road is going. It's literally a simple desert. His protection, y'all. My hands are so. We are not prepared because we didn't think it was gonna snow, so we do not have gloves. We have socks. Make a snow angel.
I can because
What?
the back of my
It's gonna be
pants
wet.
gonna get wet.
Oh. Yeah, we out here. We're so
Look
happy.
at your nose.
Huh?
Look at your nose.
Wow. Jump in the ditch. Woo!
You are about to flex in the snow.
You found that in the snow? Y'all, it is so cold.
Yeah, look.
Milo does not like this. Is a crazy storm. Can you stop trying to hit us with snowballs?
Ah!
Bro,
Angel!
snow angel. Yeah. Oh, he threw it on you. Poor baby. Y'all, look where we're walking in. They throwing snowballs. Does not like it. Let me break them in the house. All right, we're about to go inside.
I'm gonna eat the snow, guys.
Do not eat that.
They said you can eat the snow.
Not off the ground. Open your mouth and eat it. Like, open your mouth. Bro, stop. I'm gonna put Milo in the house right quick. What's up, gang? We back. Go get some from over there. We back. Milo does not like it. Come. All right, guys, we're about to go back inside because it is really storming right now. Look, and he wants to go inside. So JJ went inside and Milo went inside. Milo was crying because he don't like it. But we about to go inside. So hope you guys enjoyed this video. Peace.